In the context of blockchain technology, cryptography plays a vital role in ensuring the security, integrity, and privacy of the data and transactions stored on the blockchain. Cryptography is the practice of using mathematical algorithms and techniques to convert plain text information into a non readable format known as ciphertext. This process is called encryption. The encrypted data can only be decrypted back to its original form using a secret key or passphrase. Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. I am Aishwarya Saxena and this is Blockchain Tutorial Series. And in this video, I will discuss that what is cryptography. Today we will discuss some of the key aspects for cryptography in the context of blockchain technology. Number 1. Secure transactions. Cryptography is used to secure transactions on the blockchain. When a user initiates a transaction, it is digitally signed with the sender's private key. The digital signature ensures that the transactions cannot be altered or tampered by anyone else. Only the recipient using the corresponding public key can verify the authenticity of the transaction. Number 2. Immutable data. Blockchain uses cryptographic hash functions to create a unique fixed size representation, that is hash, of block of data. Each block contains a hash of the previous block which creates a chain, hence the name blockchain. If any data block is altered, it will change the hash and it would no longer match the reference in the next block. This immutability makes it challenging to tamper with historical data on the blockchain. Number 3. Private and public key pairs. Users on the blockchain have a pair of cryptographic keys, a private key and a public key. The private key is kept secret and is used for signing transactions and providing ownership. The public key, on the other hand, is shared openly and is used by others to verify transactions and to encrypt messages sent to the owner of the corresponding private key. Number 4. Consensus mechanisms. In many blockchain networks, consensus mechanisms, example proof of work and proof of stake, use cryptographic puzzles or algorithms to ensure that participants agree on the validity of transactions and the order in which they are added to the blockchain. These mechanisms use cryptography to prevent malicious attackers from gaining control over the network. Number 5. Privacy and confidentiality. In some blockchain implementations like privacy-focused blockchains, advanced cryptographic techniques such as zero-knowledge proofs or risk signatures are used to enhance privacy and confidentiality. These techniques allow users to prove the validity of the statement without revealing the actual information behind it. Overall, cryptography is a fundamental building block of blockchain technology, providing the necessary security and trust that underpins its decentralized nature and the reliable recording of transactions and data on the blockchain. So, I hope you have got some idea out of the above discussed stuff. In the coming videos, I will discuss the concepts of number 1, cryptocurrency, number 2, zero knowledge proofs, number 3, ring signatures, and many more. So if you are new to this channel, for what you are waiting for, subscribe and press the notification bell. You can drop your queries in the comment section. Thank you. See you in the next video.